Turkey, the ambience, the structures. If you notice the aesthetics forms of Ottoman architecture is this constant contrast. Koca Mimar Sinan, or the great architect Sinan, the most skillful builder of the Ottoman era, he left hundreds of valuable architectural works behind. Mimar Sinan was born in Kayseri, Anatolia, which is Turkey now, in the year 1490. He was Anatolian Greek or Armenian, there is no clear evidence on that. Sinan lived in the most powerful period of the Ottoman Empire. He was chief architect during the reigns of Selim II, Suleiman the Magnificent, and Murad III. Sinan entered his father's trade as a stonemason and carpenter. In 1512, he was drafted into the Janissary Corps. He converted to Islam and began a lifelong service to the Ottoman royal house. Later that, he became a captain in the royal guard. He built a lot of military structures. He was a professional bridge builder, although Sinan's career began during 1538 Moldovan campaign, when Ottoman troops needed to cross the Prat River. The first attempt at building a bridge in the swampy area was a failure, and Lotfi Pasha assigned the bridge constructors to Sinan, who completed it in 13 days. During his military career, he had the opportunity to study the architectural monuments in the conquered cities of Europe and the Middle East, learning the weak points of structures when gunning them down. Let's do a flashback to the year 1453, a shocking waves across the world, the fall of Constantinople, the capital of Byzantine Empire, or the second Rome at that time. The Byzantines left a lot of architecture. One of them is Hagia Sophia, the biggest cathedral church for nearly 1,000 years. The influence of Hagia Sophia started to take shape in 16th century mosques. Sinan took his first-hand lesson from Hagia Sophia. He helped Hagia Sophia to survive until now without requiring any big renovation, adding a thick minaret on the west for supporting the dome and supporting the blocks. The base of the west minarets are much bigger than the eastern one. The eastern minarets of Hagia Sophia were built in different periods according to most experts. His later designs are geometric and lyrical expression of a brilliant mind, and he is known for his constant dome and half-dome design. Let's take Hagia Sophia and Süleymaniye Mosque for example. You can observe a similar contrast between them, the domes, the double structures on the sides, and the half-domes. By the way, Süleymaniye Mosque is one of the Sinan's masterpiece, but there is another masterwork of him, is the Selimiye Mosque in Edirne. Selimiye Mosque dome is the largest dome built by Sinan. The Selimiye Mosque was included on UNESCO's World Heritage List in 2011. He was making sure to build a great mosques that serve needs of Muslims, from resistance of earthquake, the sound, the natural light from windows, and the atmosphere. Sinan claimed on his document all the monuments that he designed and built. Koca Mimar Sinan, or Great Architect Sinan, died in the year 1587 and is buried in tomb in Istanbul, just to the north of Süleymaniye Mosque. Let me know in the comment down below what do you think about this geometry's master, and if you didn't watch the Hagia Sophia video, check the link in the description down below, and assalamu alaikum.